Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Binance wallet address. First, ensure you are logged into your Binance account. Once logged in, locate the wallet option, usually found in the top navigation bar. From the drop-down menu, select Fiat and Spot to access your main wallet overview. This section displays all your cryptocurrency and fiat balances, preparing you for the next step in finding specific deposit addresses. After selecting Fiat and Spot, you'll see a list of your assets. Find the specific cryptocurrency you want to receive and click the Deposit button next to it. A crucial step here is to select the correct network for your deposit. For example, for UST, you might choose ERC20, TRC20, or BEP20. Selecting the wrong network could result in lost funds, so double-check your choice before proceeding. The network you choose is vital for a successful transaction. If the sender uses the BEP20 network, you must also select BEP20 on your Binance deposit page. Once the network is chosen, your unique deposit address will be displayed. You can either copy this alphanumeric string directly or use the provided QR code for convenience. Always verify the address before initiating any transfer to prevent errors. Before finalizing any transfer, always double-check that the copied address matches the one displayed on Binance. Share this exact address with the person or platform sending you funds. Remember, once a transaction is initiated on the blockchain, it's irreversible. For extra security, consider sending a small test amount first for larger transfers. Also, if you're looking for some great deals, including that awesome car air freshener, check the description below for links and more.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.